What I like about this steamer is you don't have to use chemicals or buy other things to use this. You just put water in and it does a fantastic job cleaning and sterilizing. It comes with a bunch of different brush attachments, a squeegee attachment as well. And if you need to extend it, it has this hose. It's really simple to use. You just put water in, turn it on, steam comes out, and you use the steam to clean and use the scrubbers or a squeegee to help scrub and clean things off. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let me kind of give you a closer look and show you how you can hook up all the attachments. This is the CS100 model. You've got the steamer itself and you've got this rubber plug up here. So you just pour the water directly in, super easy. Then you've got your on button here, but you can also slide this up and lock it into place. So you don't have to keep holding that. You can just have it locked. Then you've got your nozzle here that everything comes out of. So if you need to extend the nozzle, you do have this hose, and the way it works, you've got the notch here that lines up with this. So you just put it on, then twist it into place. So now that is locked and secure. You can also use this attachment if you don't need something as long. You've got this adapter for a lot of the scrub brushes. So you can put this on, twist it into place. And then if you want to attach one of these, same deal, you just put it on and twist that into place, and now you have your scrubber. So the different brushes are basically just how flexible this is. If you need something stronger, you've got this. I think the white one is the softest. You also have this scoring pad and this squeegee. With some solid advice, don't put things on for too long because this is hot water coming out. I've used steamers for a long time and I absolutely love just the way they work. They're very versatile. You can use it to clean a lot of things. If you like to barbecue a lot, I know there's a lot of people who spend a lot of time just scraping the racks and trying to get everything clean. If you do that with a steamer like this, it cuts down on your time because it's heating everything up a lot and everything comes off a lot easier. If you have things on your floor that just aren't coming off, you can put the squeegee attachment on and you can get everything off in just seconds. I've used this a lot for my car as well to clean the upholstery. This just does a really good job for whatever you want to clean. I like the overall design of it. Some of the steamers I've used in the past are a lot bulkier than this. This is kind of small and thin. So if you want a great way to clean without using chemicals, this is a great option.